Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Assad speaking, and today we would like to introduce our final report for the summer training at Saudi Aramco. The reporting period is from 6 January 2021 until August 7, 2021. My instructor is Mr. Adil Khan. So to start with the abstract, this report or this presentation is explaining the period of work and training process from 6 January 2021 until 7 August 18. This is a period of 8 weeks or 2 months. During this training, I was studying and working at a Saudi Aramco company as per their training plan. There are several engineering activities that have been applied during this assigned period. For an acknowledgement, I would like to thank Saudi Aramco company for their unlimited support, training, accompanying during my internship. In addition, I would like to thank the staff of Saudi Aramco company for giving me the chance to visit their offices and their workplace to observe their daily operation and production. Also, I would like to extend my gratitude to Mr. Adil Khan from BMU for his valuable and constructive effort during the training. His guidance during the training has been much appreciated. Our table of contents is the following: list of figures, introduction, the company, then the activities and responsibilities, the major task or project, and conclusion. So we will, during the presentation, we will show you these figures, which are like the following. During the training, I have been assigned to complete many tasks in our internship. I was working in the Saudi Aramco company with North Khawar gas producing department. During the training, I learned to take the experience of from technical support engineer, and I have studied needed information on the workplace while working on the materials. That in addition of that, the training material and system have gave me experience and knowledge on these 2 months time. And, more of that, I have completed working with 3 different teams during this period, which are namely BAN admin and SCADA engineers and electrical engineers. The 2 first weeks has been focused mainly on tasks related to plant area network. The first task was to understand the plant area network and how to monitor it and manage it. Second task was to understand the plant area network and how to design it and implement it. And during the middle of my training, I have focused on plant area network protection, which are like creating image backups for the systems and restore failed systems and apply a baseline and apply Windows Update. The company, Saudi Aramco, is a national oil company owned by Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, a global integrated oil and chemical company over about 88 years. Saudi Aramco has become the world's largest integrated oil and gas company thanks to its production, operation, reliability, and technical progress. Saudi Aramco is the world's largest producer of crude oil and many other materials. The company managed to prove a reservoir of conventional crude oil and condensation of approximately 260 billion barrels, while the average daily production of crude oil is 10.5 million barrels per day. It also oversees a reserve of 2 98.7 trillion cubic feet of natural gas. About my department, which is North Ghawar Gas Producing Department, during my summer internship training, I have been assigned to work in North Ghawar Gas Producing Department. The department is responsible to operate gas producing facilities and maintain reliable gas production to meet kingdom demand. After joining the department, I have been assigned to work in North Ghawar Gas Producing Engineering Division. The division is responsible for all engineering related work in North Ghawar Gas Producing. This division consists of four units, which are mainly Operation Engineering Unit, Inspection Unit, Project Support, and CAD Unit, Technical Support Unit. Hmm. Mm, during the training, I have been assigned to implement many tasks with the technical support unit. During my work with the Albana admin engineering team, I was responsible for designing, implementing, monitoring, and managing plant network on organization to ensure maximum uptime for users. In addition, I was responsible for planning, implementing, managing, monitoring, and upgrading security measures for all protection of the organization data system and network troubleshooting security and network problems. In addition of that, during my work with the SCADA team, where SCADA is defined as a supervisory control data acquisition. Anyway, I was responsible for maintaining and operating all communication channels. These connect computers with the equipment that is controlled remotely. In addition, I have been working in SCADA system, which are used to automate the process and can collect data and monitor the data coming through remote devices. Here is in my internship training plan schedule and activities, which are defined as the based on these 8 weeks. Um, so, starting with the major task or projects, during the 2 months of my training period, which is spent on the technical support unit, um, I have accomplished many tasks that are listed as the following. First, I learned how to configure the area network. The storage area network is a dedicated independent high-speed network that interconnects and delivers share pools of storage devices to multiple servers. Each server can access shared storage as if it was where a drive directly attached to the server. During my work in the SAN, I have done all needed configuration, preparation, and testing. After that, we have installed a device in live environment in central control room. In addition of that, I learned and I worked on configuration of industrial Ethernet switches, which is MUXA. During my work, I did some configuration of these MUXA IES. This include configuration of IP, subnet mask, primary DNS, and secondary DNS. In addition of that, we have worked on converting the communication cable from copper to fiber. During the second week, I have been assigned to work with the Alban team to conduct site survey on Athmania area. The purpose of this survey is to gather the required information to develop an engineering package to convert the uh, communication from copper to fiber. This is to resolve a chronic loss communication issue that well, which is caused due to old Detroit copper cable. After completing the site survey, we worked with the team to develop a design package and issue it with the maintenance in order to implement it on site. I have participated, in addition of that, I have participated in issuing a plant network and system performance report The benefit of this report is to provide detailed healthiness analysis for the server, workstation, and network devices. It also highlights all identified issues and the corresponding engineering recommendation to resolve them. Also, we have conducted a review of new Saudi Aramco engineering procedures. The the first was ICS cybersecurity vulnerability management procedure, and the second was ICS cybersecurity supply chain FAT SAT procedure. After completing my review, I have submitted all the review comments to standard community for their further review and consideration. Moreover, during my work in cybersecurity with the Alban team, I have reviewed many issues cybersecurity advisories by Saudi Aramco, by Saudi Computer Emergency Response Team, which is a Saudi SA CERT, and the United States Computer and Emergency Response Team, which is shortened as US CERT. During the months of April and May 2021, some cybersecurity threats related to the current software version of several ICS systems were identified, including Cisco switches, Juniper firewalls, and Firefox browsers. All required mitigation actions to address the identified threat are planned to be completed before the end of June 2021. Moreover, we, um, we have an annual review of department manuals, during which I have revised the baseline security testing OIM. This revision is to add and incorporate a new standard requirement and based on the new revision of Saudi Aramco engineering procedure. During which I learned many important information about the system baseline and how to secure the company asset against unsecure services. Moreover, we part of the baseline configuration, I have completed the implementation of security configuration hardening for all Moxa switches across the department. This includes implementation of all standard mandatory requirements and best practices part of this activity. During the sixth week, I have successfully recovered failed Windows Server at our department. The server failed to boot normally due to file system defragmentation and corruption. The issue was resolved by restoring the system to a previous recovery set point, which has been backed up in weekly basis using Veritas backup solution. Now the system is back to normal operation. Moreover, in order to maintain the healthiness of our system and ensure the system readiness, a new copy of backup was collected from all department areas. The collected backup was checked to be healthy and ready to be used in case of emergency. In addition, the collection has been copied to external drive to ensure there is no a secondary copy in case if they are needed. During the same week, which is the sixth week, I have worked with the BAN team to complete the installation of vendor-approved Windows security patches for all BNS servers workstation. The activity is part of the implementation. This activity is a part of the implementation. Moreover, we have completed installing patches for firmware update for network devices, which such as Cisco switches and Juniper firewall. This activity has been completed in all areas successfully. Also, during the seventh week, I have worked with the team to provide the required support to ensure maintain potential project activities, including pre-commission and commission of new tie-in facilities at Harad area. All new tags and displays for the new tie-in, including the assignment of IP addresses for 3 Gazwells, were added successfully to SCADA system. Part of understanding the SCADA system, I have worked with the team to support the vendor completing the deployment of micro corrosion monitoring system. server at Harad Gas Plant (CCR). The deployment activity include hardware installation, CRM server configuration, and network configuration. After completing the deployment, the team tested the signal connectivity between the corrosion probe and the CRMs, and it was healthy, and the commissioning project has been completed. In addition, we have worked with the PAN admin team to apply virtual segregation of network zones. Uh, this is to enhance the BNS reliability and availability. In addition, to avoid one of the major issues between BLC and RTU, which is interconnecting, is interconnecting with each other. Now, BLC RTU are virtually segregated based on their vendor, which will help increase the reliability and availability for the ring. Last, I have worked with the team to complete the upgrade of McAfee EBO server from version 5.9 to version 5.10. This upgrade was performed to resolve huge list of known bugs in the previous McAfee EBO release, which resulted in malfunction of the EBO server and inability to use the system to manage antivirus and removable media restriction on BNS system. Accordingly, all BNS area now have a healthy and fully functional McAfee APO server. In conclusion, I was working in Saudi Aramco company with North Ghawar gas producing department under technical support unit. In addition to that, I have been working on office and field activities. I work on plant area network and for supervisory control data acquisition system and programmable logic controller systems. During which I have doing several activities like designing, servicing, and troubleshooting, configuration, and documentation work. I had good knowledge of the given material and took good experience from the workplace while I was working in the plant area network with the technical support unit. In addition of that, I understand the material that has been given, and it was very beneficial for me in the future, and it will be very beneficial for me in the future. All the documents were provided by Saudi Aramco shareholder and employees, or have been provided by troubleshooting during the internship. Really appreciated for your listening, gentlemen, and I hope my video presentation met your expectation. Thank you.